welcome all to my channel PKB's Electrical Pocket Note. Today we will learn some basic ideas of testing of distribution and power transformers. These are the tests for transformer: measurement of winding resistance, measurement of insulation resistance, magnetic balance test, separate source voltage withstand test, induced over voltage withstand test, measurement of voltage ratio, measurement of no load loss and current, measurement of load loss and impedance, vector group verification, oil VDV test. Let's see how to measure winding resistance. Here we can see how a digital resistance meter is connected to the transformer. Winding resistance is measured separately for LP and HP winding. This is the connection diagram for winding resistance test. Here we can see that digital meter is connected between two terminals of the winding. DC current is applied across the terminals and voltage is measured. Then R is calculated by V by I. This is the report of winding resistance test of a 11 by 415 volt transformer. This is also called meter test. This will test your quality of your transformer installation. This is the connection diagram for the IR test. IR test to be carried out between HV to LV terminal, HV to R terminal and LV to R terminal. This is the report of a 11 kV 415 volt transformer. Magnetic balance test. This test is carried out for 3-phase transformer only. Voltage is applied in one phase and voltage is measured in other two phases. This is the connection diagram for the magnetic balance test. This is the report for the magnetic balance test. Here we can see that if voltage is applied between 1U and YV, that is 416 volt, then we have to measure the voltage between 1V, 1W and 1W, 1U. Here voltage between 1V and 1W is 325 volt and voltage between 1W and 1U is 92 volt. If we add 325 plus 92, we will get 416 volt. Means your transformer is magnetically balanced. Next is separate source voltage withstand test. This is also called power frequency withstand test. 28 kV for 11 kV, 50 kV for 22 kV, 70 kV for 33 kV. Transformer is applied for 1 minute. Here we can see connection diagram for HP high voltage test, and this is the connection diagram for LV high voltage test. This is the test setup for high voltage test. Here we can see that 28 kV is applied for 11 kV transformer on HV side. The other winding, that is LV winding and tank, are together. Next is induced over voltage withstand test. This is also called DVDF test, that is double voltage double frequency test. In this test, double voltage and double frequency is applied and checked withstood or not. 866 volt is applied across LV side and 22 kV is induced on primary side for 1 minute. This is the connection diagram for a DVDF test. Next is measurement of voltage ratio. This is the voltage ratio formula for a transformer, that is V1 by V2 is equal to N1 by N2. Using this principle, the turns ratio is measured with the help of a turns ratio meter. Here we can see turns ratio meter. Next is measurement of no load losses and current and also full load losses. This is the connection diagram for no load losses. This is the connection diagram for full load losses. For no load losses, LV side is charged and HV side is kept open. Wattmeter is used to calculate the no load loss. For full load losses, HV side is charged and LV side is short circuited. Wattmeter is used to calculate the full load loss. Next is vector group verification test. This test verifies the vector group of a transformer, that is angular displacement between LV and HP winding. This is the important test to be carried out prior to the parallel operation of a transformer. This test verifies the dy and any vector group of a distribution transformer. From this calculation, we can find out whether this transformer is dy and 11 or not. Next test is VDV of transformer oil. VDV test is carried out to check the quality of transformer oil. Oil is placed inside the VDV test kit and the applied voltage is increased by 2 kV per second. And flash over voltage to be checked when the distance between the two electrode of VDV kit is 2.5 mm. This is the picture of a typical VDV test kit. This is the report for VDV test of oil. Here we can see that the BDV test for oil is coming 80 kV. 60 kV is recommended. Above that, acceptable. Thank you all for watching the video. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. Comment in comment section if you want more videos regarding transformer.